Ever wondered why avocados have been hailed as a superfood? Well, buckle up as we unravel the health benefits of this creamy green fruit that goes beyond just tantalizing your taste buds. But benefit number 1, heart-healthy fats are the star of the show here. Avocados are brimming with monounsaturated fats that work tirelessly to lower bad cholesterol levels, thus taking a step towards reducing the risk of heart disease. Moving on to benefit number 2, avocados are a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, boasting a rich content of potassium and vitamin K. Regular consumption of potassium plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy heart function and regulating blood pressure. Next up, benefit number 3, fiber is the unsung hero in avocados. This nutrient ensures your digestive system operates like a well-oiled machine, promoting gut health and regular bowel movements. On to benefit number 4. Avocados are a powerhouse of antioxidants. These microscopic fighters aid in battling inflammation, bolstering the immune system, and potentially preventing certain diseases. Lastly, benefit number 5. Avocados are not just a treat for your body, but they are also brain food. The omega-3 fatty acids in avocados have been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of mental decline. So there you have it. 5 compelling reasons to make avocados a staple in your diet. From heart-healthy fats to brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids, this nutrient-dense superfood is a must-have on your grocery list. So, the next time you're out shopping, remember to bag some avocados. Your body and brain will thank you for it.